Hi students! This class, your Art 103 class, is listed as starting in the neoclassical period. If you're not familiar with that period, totally fine. That period of Western art and history is in the 18th century, around the mid-1700s. Now, I mention this because even if you haven't taken the Art 101 or the Art 102 or taken any art history classes before, I want us all to come into this Art 103 class and have the same understanding and background before we jump into the neoclassical. In order to do that, I'm going to have us pull back and look at the art just prior to the neoclassical period. We're going to start with our look or our survey of art history in the Baroque period. We're going to be hanging out in France and we're going to see the French Baroque. I know, Baroque sounds like a weird word. I'll explain the term in lecture. So we're going to start with the Baroque period in France, and we're going to stay in France for a while, and we'll talk about why we're staying in France for a while. But we're going to be in French Baroque, and then we're going to see it change into the Rococo period, and then the Enlightenment period, which feeds and leads into the neoclassical. So think of these first few weeks or first few lecture playlists as a setup so that no matter your exposure or understanding of history or art, we can all come into and then follow along the semester together. All right, so let's get started with some French Baroque.